a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to a Texan Shaves. I've got one for you today that is from the Arizona meetup. As of the time of this recording, it is only available one place. It's not even available on the vendor's website, which was Happy Chap. And as you saw in the thumbnail, we're going to be doing Happy Chap, Black Cherry, and Incense. I'm really looking forward to this one. I got a chance to meet Happy Chap at the meetup, and wonderful couple there. They had their whole line out there, and my favorite is still Ghost Stories, but we'll see after using this. Now, just to let you know, this is available at Razor Emporium. Matt Pisarcik actually purchased pretty much what anything was left over from all of the vendors, I believe, that were there, so they didn't have to go back home with their product. And so Black Cherry and Incense right now, as of this recording, is available at Razor Emporium. That's the only place I know that you can get it currently. Oh, it smells so good. So, Happy Chap, Black Cherry, and Incense is dark, smooth, and unforgettable. Now, this is from the Razor Emporium website, because as I've said, there's no sales blurb anywhere for me to copy from. So I'm reading what is down from Razor Emporium. Happy Chap's Black Cherry and Incense Shave Soap opens with the rich sweetness of ripe black cherry, bold, juicy, and slightly tart, before melting into the smoky, resinous depth of warm incense. The result is a perfectly balanced scent that's both inviting, mysterious, sweet, yet sophisticated. Let me tell you. Whew, man, as I said before, I think last year was the year of the peach. This year it's the year of the cherry. There have been so many cherry releases, and each one I've used has been better and better and better, and I've been happier and happier because a lot of times cherry doesn't hit me right. There's no cherry fragrance out there. You have to build it. You have to make an accord to get it. And one of the main things used is bitter almond. And I'm not friends with bitter almond. I'm not. But I don't know what these latest additions have been using, or maybe my nose is coming around to bitter almond, but they have been incredible. So let this go. We're going to be doing a head shave today. I also have the matching splash, of course. For the razor, I'm going to be using the Leaf 2. And for the main reason, the last time I did a head shave, as you saw, had a few little boo-boos on top. And this one's going to, you can see them. This razor is going to be a bit more forgiving over that area. So that's why I'm going with that. For the brush, I thought I would use my Chisel & Hound Rosé. It is a nice brush to use. You've seen me use it before whenever I have a cherry scented soap. This is the one I'm going to pull out. Love this brush. It is a beautiful, beautiful brush. So let's get this loaded and going. Man, it was great to meet those of you I got to meet at the meetup. You know who you are, and I, as always, had a fantastic time at Razor Emporium. Always, Matt is always the most gracious host there. Excellent time. I haven't really talked about it, and I haven't shown my my haul, which wasn't very substantial this year, because I was waiting for it to come in. Everything that was liquid or glass bottles I shipped. The only thing I carried with me on the plane, because all I took was a carry-on, was the smaller meetup soap and some sample sizes, and a t-shirt that Shave Trooper gave me. Thank you very much, Shave Trooper. And what else was in that bag? There were a few other odds and ends, but it was mainly soap and other articles that were okay to carry on a carry-on bag. So, man, this lather already is gorgeous. That should be plenty. So all the liquids and glass and everything, as I said, I shipped, and it arrived just the other day, and I was so happy. I had forgotten that I did not bring Happy Chap, Black Cherry, and Incense in my carry-on because I was taking all the soaps I got with me, which I had the singles from Ariana and Evans with me also. I carried on the plane. But apparently I had put this one in my ship-to box, which is perfectly fine. I just had to wait a little bit, but I was really, really eager to get my nose on this again, so I was so happy when it showed up. And I am glad to get a shave with it. Let's move my mug out of the way. And there we go. All right, glasses off, and let's get the head wet. Man, I have not shaved since my last video. I have not shaved my head since my last video. I'll tell you why here in a little bit. I meant to make this video on Sunday and have it out to you guys on Monday, but I had a little old man issue over the weekend where I didn't get anything done. And what I mean by old man issue is my back went out. I had, years ago, I had a bulging disc problem. And after many treatments with a what do you call him? He's a chiropractor, but he's a sports medicine chiropractor. After many treatments with him and a lot of my wallet disappearing, he got me better though, amazingly better, because it's something I had been dealing with for a long time in my life. And this was many years ago. Well, I'll say many. It was probably about 4 or 5 years ago when I went through all this. And let me get some water. Oh, it smells amazing. But every now and then, as I get older, all I have to do, like this happened. I was in the shower. I just turned to grab the soap, and that's all it took. And I wrenched my back. So I had to wear my brace all weekend. I'm going to need more water. And I couldn't do much at all. Today, I'm recording this on Monday. I don't know exactly when I'm dropping this yet because I have some other commitments I need to get out. But it will be this week. So today was a good day, though. I only had a couple issues where it was trying to flare up, then went right back. I had my brace with me just in case. But yeah, it's hell getting old, guys. You know, my weight loss that I had, and I'm trying to get more, but the weight loss that I had where I lost over 100 pounds, it helped tremendously with my back issues. But I need to keep it going. I've been lax on that, and I got to get back to that. One more bit of water. Man, this stuff can take a lot of water. I am loving this fragrance. Ghost Stories has been my favorite so far. And even though that was a Halloween release, I can wear that year round. It is a glorious fragrance. But this one's right up there with it. I can tell already. Loving it. Oh, it smells so good. All right. Definitely looking forward to the shave. Now I know the Leaf 2 has had a mixed bag of reviews. I personally love it. I love the Leaf 1, but I do think I like this one a bit better. I did have some doubts when I first received it, and I had some questions. And I reached out to Leaf, and they responded almost immediately. And any doubts I had about anything, they immediately corrected what I was thinking. And yeah, I'm having a great time with this razor. All right, just went over that area. We'll see what happens. I didn't feel like it did anything. Might have just removed the scab, so. Oh, there was another spot right there. I felt that one. Might have reopened that one. We'll see. It's one thing about shaving daily, especially the head, when you do get a nick or a weeper or something, it takes a while to get over those. Longer than the face. Because normally, since I'm a daily head shaver, I will reopen it many times. Every now and then I'll give it like 24 hours. This time I gave it a couple days just because I wasn't feeling up to standing in front of the camera here and record. So it looks like that was enough time. I don't think it doesn't Doesn't look like I re-injured it. Well, maybe just a little bit on that one. That's a bump, actually. I guess that's new because I can feel a bump right where that's at. Bumpy head. You know, cherry and incense, those are hand-in-hand fragrances in my opinion. In fact, I grew up in the 70s. And, you know, my mom would burn incense. And some of my favorites were cherry and strawberry as a kid. Let's see where we're at. Really good. A little bit back here, because I lifted up when I got over that spot. Got it. Right on the crown. That's it. All right, let's get the back. Oh, it feels good to finally get my head shaved. That little weeper right there on my sideburns? What happened there? Never get one there. But yeah, they go hand in hand for me. It's almost memory lane. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to get to the splash. Any of you have Happy Chat? Let me know what you think down below. I will let you know. Happy Chat has agreed to be in the Blizzard Battles 2026 Artisan Challenge. And I am looking forward to see what they come up with for that. So any of you that are fans of Happy Chat, let them know that you are excited they are going to participate in Blizzard Battles this year. I have quite a few, and I'm going to have another video out for you guys. I know the past few videos about Blizzard Battles has really been for the artisans. Well, only one has been for the artisans. I'm about to make another one. But I'm going to have a video for you guys letting you know who all is participating and the final word on how all the scoring is going to be, as well as how all of you are going to participate in that scoring. I hope y'all have fun with it as well. I'm bringing you guys into the voting process. So be looking out for that soon. Man, this is a fantastic shave. There's little to no cleanup back here. Just doing my usual passes, but I can tell I'm not going to need much of anything. A little bit right back here. Let me check my neck, yeah. Gone. That is it. All right. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh, man. Woo! Man, that smells good. Excellent, excellent. Man, the skin feel is crazy with Happy Chap. Really is good. Post-shave is wonderful. I'm really becoming a fan of theirs. I don't have too many, but I am definitely building a Happy Chap acquisition. All right. Time for the glorious magic of the splash. There we go. Black cherry and incense. Why hasn't this been out sooner? I don't know. Oh, that is so good. Oh, yes. Man, that's a smooth head. Man, it's the incense in this is incredible. One of the better incense notes I have smelled in a while. That is so good. And the sweetness and tartness of that cherry just man, it just blows it up. It is wonderful. All right, guys, that's going to be it real quick. Quick shave. Man, do not miss this one. If you haven't bought Happy Chap yet, go for it. This is the one to start with. Black cherry and incense is ridiculous, guys. I wish I could send you to Happy Chap's website. I'm going to link it down below anyway, so you can check out the rest of their offerings, and maybe by the time I drop this video, it will be there. But I'll also link Razor Emporium where you can get it, and because I don't want to leave you hanging. Yeah, I think that's all. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on a Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.